Look what we have here today, a 2006 Porsche Cayenne. 103,000 original miles. This thing is clean. If you've got $9,000, this could be yours. It's all-wheel drive, has all the books, 2 sets of keys, non-smoker. This thing is beautiful. Look under the doors. This needs nothing but a new owner. $89.95. We take all forms of payments and/or trades. If you need help with financing, we can handle that on the premise. Come check us out at Tempest Motors, where we now specialize in out-of-state rust-free automobiles. Still have a few motorcycles left. We have more coming in, and of course, these all come with extended warranties also. We have vehicles in and out of here daily, so come check us out at Tempest Motors. I'm sure we have something for you. Thanks for looking.